Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am headed over the bridge to Indiana from Illinois to Great Harvest Bakery Cafe. I'm pretty sure I'll drop the address below, but come with me and check out this new bakery for breakfast. The sandwiches were awesome. Thank you so much.
Would you like one as well?
Yeah, you might help me.
So loud. For sandwich next time you come.
No, they were at work.
Oh wow. The bread is so good. So we tried the two most famous sandwiches. I'll get the name off the receipt. Right before you order, there's a girl at the table with the chopping board, and she has the different breads of the day. They're fresh, and she'll cut you a piece of bread so you can taste it. It's really good. All right.
What do you got for me?
We tried the bacon biscuit and the kickstart.
Kickstart?
Yes.
And the bacon biscuit?
Yep.
There you go.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Bacon
Oh,
biscuit
look at that.
and the kickstart. I don't even know where to begin.
Oh, it's good.
This is the bacon biscuit. I think it's a different type of bread.
Yeah, this looks
All right, Rich is trying the kickstart. It's a fried egg bacon, kind of like the ones we used to make when we were kids, or our parents used to make us, like a really good fried egg sandwich. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this one. All right, this is amazing. The bread's a little hard though, but the cheese pull, the egg, and the meat, perfect. I'm gonna try the kickstart with the tomatoes because I love tomatoes. All right, if you love cheese, this is the way to go. If you love a homemade breakfast sandwich, that's the way to go.
Yeah, I like that.
All right, what are your thoughts? I thought it was great. Perfect sandwich, not too much, not too little.